In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Microsoft Office quickly with the latest method that actually works and is easy to follow. Let's get started right from your desktop. First, open any Microsoft Office app you have installed, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It doesn't really matter which one you choose because the activation process is the same across all of them. Once the program opens, give it a moment to load fully so you can see the main screen. When the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This is the menu where you usually go to open or save documents. But it's also where all the account and activation options live. After clicking File, a new sidebar will appear on the left. From here, look for the section labeled Account or sometimes Office Account, depending on your version. Click on Account and you should now see information about your Office product on the right side of the screen. This is where you can check whether your Office is already activated or still needs activation. If it's not activated, you'll see an option that says something like Activate Product, Change License, or Change Product Key. Go ahead and click that option. A new window will open, guiding you through activation. If you purchased Office with a product key, this is where you'll enter that 25-character key. Make sure you type it carefully, double-checking each block of characters to avoid errors. If your Office came with a Microsoft account subscription instead of a key, you may be asked to sign in with that account. Just follow the on-screen prompts and use the same account you used when you bought the subscription. Once you've entered your product key or signed in with your account, click Next or Continue. Office will now connect to Microsoft servers to verify your license. It's important to stay connected to the internet during this step so the activation can complete successfully. This might take a few seconds, so be patient and avoid closing the window. After the verification finishes, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your copy of Microsoft Office is now activated. You can close the activation window, return to your Office app, and you're ready to start using all the features without any limitations or activation reminders. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly activate Microsoft Office and get straight to work.